Hi everybody, my name is Rocco. I will be showing you today how to take off your light kit. So today we are possibly working with a Hunter Discovery ceiling fan. So make sure the number one rule of working with electrical work, turn off the power so you don't get electrocuted. That is the number one rule. So first let's turn off the fan. Let's wait it slow. Let's wait till it slows down. So now let's go turn off the breaker. Parts of the house being a big mess, so on these kind of days where it's really dark, it looks really weird in our basement. You can already tell that it's a nice basement. It's not one of those creepy ones, trust me, it isn't. You'll see. So we got everything we need, a bar, everything. Now here's one of the worst rooms in the house. At least we have the bright light bulbs. We used to have CFLs and those lighting were horrible. So now the breaker we need. So make sure that you find out the breaker. So that's all the breakers we got. Ugh, spider webs on my face. Yeah. Okay, so now we've got the power off. We can go back upstairs now. We'll cut off. Make sure that we'll see if I put my lights on in my bathroom, my closet, and the side table light to see if the power was actually killed. But plus, I don't have a circuit tester. We aren't like my grandpa, how he works with a whole bunch of electrical work. So, I'm working with the duct tape all over this house, so people know what. And I even have a duct tape on the switch to my fan because, oh, yeah, and the power got killed. So, that's good. Okay. Good. The fan is even stopped. It's really dark in here, trust me. Okay, so now that the fan is off, let's go ahead and remove the pull chain appendants. Set those aside. Dang, I should have got my screwdriver, but doesn't mean I had the two included CFLs. So this is the part that you really want to make sure the power is killed before you do this, because I know what's going to happen. Let's get my handy dandy screwdriver. Don't know where the cap is. Gonna have to go searching for it in this dark. So, please tell me we didn't use a drill on this. Trust me, I have been working with electrical. Not that often as people think I have, but I do it once in a while. Okay, so this is a part that you really want to make sure you don't lose, because you will be using those for the cap. It's so hard to see. Should get those halogen spotlights. I have one in the garage, but... And then it's okay, it's A-okay to let your light kit hang, because the light kit isn't that heavy, so I can just let it hang there. I want to make sure that a screw doesn't fall out. so now to hold the little screw. So, like I said, you can let the light kit hang. It's fine. I have to pull out this electrical in there, so just let that go away. And yeah, so won't need that. And this is really simple about Hunter fans. You just have to like do that and then can disconnect the light kit. So this is what it looks like. Oh jeez, it's hurting me. Okay, so now let's go search for the cap in this darkness. I can barely see a thing. Maybe in here, is there? Nope. Okay, this is the part that gives me the freaks because I don't like having to search in here for the dark. Oh jeez, it's on my old fan. Jeez, it's gonna take a while, folks, but you can come down with me. It's fine, I don't care. I have no idea why I'm bringing my screwdriver because it's not on my Hunter. I'm pretty sure, and right now it's good because I can show you some of my fan collection. My ceiling fan collection. So this is some of it. There wasn't a cap for my Littleton, so I had to use duct tape, white duct tape. So this is my Summer Breeze. I'm pretty sure it's Summer Breeze. If I can't find the cap, I am in big trouble. So this is the Summer Breeze cap. Dang it. I know where it is. Oh, it's in this bag. Why the heck did I not see it in there? I was like, thought it was my Handsome Bay Littleton thing, but it wasn't. So here it is. So we can go back upstairs now to my room. Like I said, some of the house was a mess. And I'm not lying. Got a fan animation catalog. Whoa, I almost fell. So, here's the remote to my fan. I just don't like using it that much. So, I'd rather not use it. So, come back to my fan. So, make sure you grab your screws. I like to just hang them in here. Just like that. This was on the Summer Breeze before, but my Summer Breeze, I had to get ready for my... So let's tuck those in there. Oh, come on! So I don't know which ones are, though. I think... That's rare. We usually never get it in the hole. Well, usually takes us about a half an hour. If you can't see, well, I'm so sorry. It's just darkness. So this is, I wanted to make a video of this so you kids know what it will look like. Whoa. And I don't have the star pull chain, but what's really good, that I have a real Hunter pull chain. Here's the part that really screws me up. So, oh jeez. Maybe I should check it, but I just And if you want to try this at home, just make sure if it isn't in the hole for this one, make sure that you loosen up the screw a little bit so you can turn it and see. So I'm going to turn it a little bit and align up the hole. So now we got that up, and this fan does wobble like insane. So what do we need here? Oh, I am missing my pull chain appendant. So see that these are the Hunter, the new original ones. These are the I'm not talking about the Hunter original ceiling fan. I'm talking about the Hunter original pull chains. So I just like this. It goes better, and I think I like it a lot more. So yeah, it's a pretty long pull chain. That's good. So yeah, let's go back to the breaker and go turn on the power and go see if it will work. And here's the easy part. You just have to see what breaker you flipped, and you just have to check which one is the wrong way. It's good that we left the lights on in here so I don't have to. Creaky steps here. Good thing that this light is still on. So now we just have to see which ones. How the heck do I? That's hard. Even if it was hard for my dad, so there we go again. We must have killed the power to that thing. Wow. So we better get the lights. And we do have a problem with the switch down here. I'm afraid that could start a fire because when we dim, there's a light that has a dim right over the couch, and it won't dim if I just put it all the way down. It's not going to dim, and I'm scared, and I'm afraid that, oh, yeah, seems like the power's working. Sometimes the light on the fan we just start up. Let's see. Nope, the fan didn't start, but the fan kind of looks crooked a little bit. Oh, probably messed up with the remote. Oh boy. That's something that creeps me out. Or it just gets me so tired. Let's make sure. And I go around the whole house. So, it's working. So let's wait until it speeds up to high. You will see it start to go nuts. So see that wobbles like insane. So take a look. That is not good. I know that every kid's ceiling fan wobbles, so I put coins, so I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore. That gave me a nightmare. So let's take off the coins. It's ripping off some paint, but who cares? It's just on the other side. This many, forget about that. That, I don't know what it did, but that thing creeped me out. Let's test it. Let's put it back to high. Adjust it. Back to low. So, hope you enjoyed the video of me taking off my light kit. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.